How to back up Windows 11. You might be wondering how to back up your Windows 11 computer as it contains numerous priceless memories and significant files. Given how risky the internet is right now with malware, spyware, and adware that can attack if you aren't using the best antivirus, this is becoming more and more crucial. So, don't worry, we'll show you how to back up your Windows computer in this video. Keep in mind that we'll be utilizing Windows 11's built-in capabilities throughout our procedures. You won't require any further downloads, and we won't be using any licensed software. Let's see how we can enable it. Click on the search icon. Right on the search backup. If it asks you to verify this device, just click on Verify. Write your password and hit Sign In. Verify your identity by going on the next step. You will receive a code on your email or phone. Just write it down and click Verify. Now, to be sure your computer is backed up, please activate the option Remember My Apps and Remember My Preferences. Also, click on Manage Sync Settings. Here you will see what folders are backed up. All of the files from this folders will be backed up on the cloud. Please remember that Windows is not like an Apple or Android device. If you get your computer hacked, you cannot restore the app simply by reinstalling Windows. You need to install every software one by one. Also, the files that were not added into those folders will be lost if you have problems with your hard drive. Another way to be sure you do not lose your files is to save it on your OneDrive folder. Those will be also backed up in the cloud. You can open your OneDrive folder by clicking the icon from the bottom, and then click Open Folder. This is how you enable backup functionality on Windows. Thank you for watching this. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.